Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best products to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're talking about the LunchBots Large Cinco stainless steel lunch container, one of the best lunchbox options on the market for those looking to pack their meals in style and with practicality. The LunchBots Cinco stands out with its 5-section design, which makes it perfect for packing a variety of foods. Whether you're taking a balanced meal to work or prepping a nutritious lunch for your kids, this container can easily hold everything from sandwiches to snacks to fruits. Its dimensions are 8 inches by 6 inches, with a height of 1.75 inches, giving you a spacious 32-ounce capacity. One of the best features of this lunch container is how it keeps your food separated. The 5 sections prevent your foods from mixing, so no more worrying about that salad dressing soaking into your sandwich or your fruit turning your nuts soggy. The sections are not only perfect for organizing meals, but they also allow for quick access to different foods without the hassle of multiple containers. It's truly a simple yet effective way to keep your meals neat and tidy. Constructed from high-quality 18/8 stainless steel, this LunchBots container is incredibly durable. It's built to last and can withstand the wear and tear of daily use. Whether you're tossing it into your bag or using it every day, this lunch container will hold up. Plus, the stainless steel construction ensures that it's safe to use with food, and you don't have to worry about harmful chemicals like BPA or phthalate. Another great thing about this container is its dishwasher-safe design, making cleanup a breeze. However, it's important to note that while the container itself is durable and dishwasher-safe, the lid and dividers are not leak-proof. This makes it ideal for dry foods, so be mindful when packing liquids. LunchBots has been a trusted name in bento boxes for over a decade, and this large Cinco container is another testament to their commitment to quality. They've been making high-quality stainless steel containers for years, and this one is no exception. Whether you're packing a simple lunch for yourself or a meal for the whole family, this container will serve you well. So, if you're looking for a reliable, spacious, and easy-to-clean lunch container that keeps your food organized and separated, the LunchBots Large Cinco stainless steel lunch container is definitely worth considering. It's perfect for anyone who loves packing a variety of foods and wants to enjoy a neat and hassle-free lunch every day. That's it for today's review on the LunchBots Cinco. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews here on Product Critique.